So in this problem, we are told that we are rolling an ordinary pair of dice, and we're asked to find the probability that the sum of the spots will be either a 7 or a 4. Well, when we look at our possibilities, we can compute our number of 7s and 4s really by doing a chart of the possibilities. So for one die we have possibilities of 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5. And then likewise for the second die we could have possibilities of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Now, our possibilities of sums, we can just construct a table that a 1 and a 1 will give us a sum of 2. 1 and 2 gives us 3. 3 and 1 gives us 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2 and 1 gives us 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3 and 1 gives us a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then finally a 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 as our possibilities. Now, when we are looking for sums of 7s, we can just look along this main diagonal, and we see that we have 7s along that row. And likewise, if we are looking for sums of 4s, we see those occur along this diagonal. And so for our possibilities of a 7 or a 4, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7s, and we have 3 4s. So our probability of 7 or 4 will just be 9 over 36, which we can in turn simplify that to just be a 1 over 4.